I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
Today I'm making a good old-fashioned patty melt, a half-pound patty with grilled onions on rye. Hey, if you're getting tired of hamburgers, give this a try. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I love to grind my own meat. Today I'm using 2 pounds of chuck roast and 2 pounds of top sirloin. I'm going to cut that up and just put it right into my grinder. I like to grind the meat twice because I think it just gives it a better texture. My Blackstone tabletop griddle is hot, so I'm going to add a little canola oil and then add some sliced yellow onions. After those have cooked for a little bit, I just move them over to the far corner and then add my half-pound beef patty. Now, I shaped this a little bit like a football because I'm going to put this on rye bread, and it's not going to be round. After a few minutes, flip it over and season it with a little salt. Remember to keep flipping the onions so that they don't burn. Now that the patty's done, I'm going to scoot it out of the way, clean a little spot in the center of the grill, and start building the sandwich. First, put down a little bit of butter, then some bread, cheese, and grilled onions. Oh, this smells so good. Now just add the patty, close the sandwich, and, most importantly, cover the sandwich with a metal bowl. This is going to do two things. It's going to soften the bread, but it's also going to help the cheese melt. Keep it covered for a couple of minutes, and then remove the lid, add a little bit more butter, flip the sandwich over, and give it another minute or two. Oh, and don't forget to cover it back up. After a couple more minutes, that sandwich is ready to slice and serve. I actually like these completely plain. I don't need anything else on them. They're just that good. Hey, if you like the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out all the time. See you next time on Austin Eats.